Hello everyone! For today's video, the trending machine has found the most ingenious construction workers that are on another level, and it's time to share them with you. Get ready to see some mind-blowing skills, professional secrets, and stellar inventions. But before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Really, I don't know how they came up with the idea of removing shingles with a pitchfork, but just look at how effective it is. Imagine how long this craftsman had to hone his skills to be able to cut such fragile materials so easily and accurately. If you think this looks easy, just remember that these painters have no room for error. All you need is a couple dozen bricks and this genius to make your window look stunning. Now try not to get stuck watching these precise movements. Look at these workers. Just imagine how much experience and flexibility they need to do this. This is what happens when you hire a perfectionist to do your stone stairs. You don't even need special equipment if your team is as resourceful as this one. Why waste time coming down off the roof when you've got skills like this? Careful, this guy is a professional. This worker is so good at restoring stairs that he seems to enjoy the process more than the job itself. These geniuses found an easy way to pull a sunken excavator out of a bog, and that way is physics. This guy figured out how not to get the floor dirty with silicone compound. Why didn't I think of this before? Hello, could you make a parking lot for us in the backyard? Of course, it will be ready by tomorrow. What? How? Turns out these builders weren't kidding when they promised to build a backyard parking lot in a single day. This guy is so good at what he does that you could watch him work all day. This is how bent wood is made. Truly incredible. Check out this smart way to use a rope to make a smooth curved line for the bricks. While we're all living in 2023, this genius is already in 2033. This guy is definitely an engineer at heart. Just look at the incredible table he created with his own hands. Man, it even has an LED sensor. And thanks to this expert, the whole street will be done in just a few hours. This is what insulating a house looks like when a master gets down to business. What? I always thought they were separate plates. Excellent work. If you want to finish the repair ahead of schedule, call this guy. I bet that just one worker like this is more effective than a whole team of painters. You know you're a real pro when you can play floor is lava on an excavator. That's incredible. This is what I call teamwork. Seems like together they can move mountains. This man definitely used to be a fan of sandcastles as a child, but look what he can do with the sand now. Want to make your renovation look even more expensive? Then call this master of strifes. Still hauling heavy curbstones? Then take a look at how this genius does the job. Just imagine how long it must take to cover the entire wall with this. But the result is incredible. Who knows how many perfectionists this hero saved by rearranging the pavers by color. His father taught him to work smarter, not harder, and so he came up with this device. Googling how to level fresh cement without ruining it doesn't make sense anymore, because this genius just showed us how. These guys make building a pergola look so easy. They do brilliant work. And have super cozy results. You might be asking, why didn't he cut it on the ground? And his answer is, because I can do it anywhere. It took this guy almost 5 hours, some paint, masking tape, and incredible talent to create this stylish mandala. It's hard to find someone who can make you a floor out of such high-quality oak blocks, because master builders like this are few and far between. Take a look at this incredible paintwork. You have to be a true professional to be able to do this so high up. Allow me to bring your attention to the perfect formation of external corners with epoxy grout. This person levels the plaster on the ceiling without spilling a single speck of dust with this magical machine. These builders are so fast that they can build you stone steps from scratch in just a couple of hours. Imagine ordering a team of loaders, but only this guy shows up and completes the task twice as fast. Only a true master could assemble such an incredible construction. Tough guys wielding two guns at the same time isn't just for action movies. If old plaster needs to be taken care of, they call this plaster fighter. This worker from China doesn't need a second try. He always applies silicone in the seams perfectly the first time. Check out this smart way to avoid leaving footprints on the floor. This guy will always have a job, because if he gets tired of building houses, he can always be an acrobat. It's cool to have a partner on your team who can lay out all the slabs without even touching them. How can you tell a pro from an ordinary worker? He only needs 2 moves to get the perfect angle. A true ingenious worker will always find a way to save time. While 3D printers are already building houses, this man proves that no machine can do his job better than him. These Chinese workers are installing a tiled roof that is sure to last for over 100 years. Now take a look at this brilliant teamwork. I don't think anything needs to be said here, just watch. Perfect. Did you know that these road symbols were painted this way? Let us know in the comments. This man has figured out the fastest and most accurate way to cut a window. Looking for a stone wall in your living room but haven't found the right stones? Not a problem for this creative worker. Here's what happens when your boss calls you in for a shift while you're on vacation. Look how these ingenious workers came up with a way to optimize their workflow. Here's a group of men smashing a 30-foot-tall rock with nothing but a hammer and chisel in India. When you know physics, the work goes twice as fast. This is the most unique way of gluing a mosaic that I have ever seen. If this guy keeps going like this, he'll have built an entire block by the end of the week. Check out the impressive stairs this team is putting together. What kind of genius do you have to be able to use a regular stencil and a spray can to make such an unusual 3D illusion? These women can create a beach on your table using epoxy and hair dryers. Just watch. And here's another talented artist from Morocco who will turn your wall into a masterpiece. Need to decorate your ceiling? Then have I found the master craftsman for you. How would you describe the people who built a pool in their backyard from scratch in just a few days? That's right, true professionals. And here is some construction ASMR for you. Why does it always look so easy until you try it yourself? Oh right, because you are watching a true master at work. Guys, can't you tell that this person loves what they do? Fascinating. Wow, his moves are way too smooth and perfect for an ordinary human. It doesn't take much to create a comfortable space. Sometimes just plain paint is all you need to inspire your next design. Check out these pro skills. Most people can't even hammer nails this smoothly. While it takes everyone else an entire day to finish a wall, this man does it in half the time. Show me another construction worker that is skilled enough to do this. If you've ever doubted yourself, just look at this man's example and realize that all things are possible. Check out how fast these builders finish the floor. I assure you, this guy can cut anything anywhere. This is how new schools are built nowadays. Just imagine how responsible you have to be as a crane driver. But don't worry, we're looking at a pro. With a logistics genius like this, you don't even need an unloading crew. When these experts get to work, Natural cobblestone paths appear before our eyes. What do you think of this wonder that they've created? And here, Indian builders are using coconut geotextiles to get excellent quality pavement that won't sag. It's always a pleasure to watch professionals at work. When such a massive oil tanker runs aground, workers have to use all their imagination to figure out how to deal with it. Witness the incredible teamwork it takes to create an intricate dome structure. I am amazed at the expertise of people who can create and assemble propellers for huge ships. Just wait and see how the fine workmanship of this bricklayer lives up to expectations. To get the job done perfectly, this builder simply turns off gravity. Take a look from the point of view of professionals. Assembling a submarine is an absolute masterpiece. Here's a question for the daredevils working with this fiery beauty. Did you forge Thor's hammer? Behold the mesh magic of builders giving rise to the most original wall ever. It's amazing how these skilled craftsmen manually apply 1,100 kilograms of paint to transform a plane. Well, I hope these people managed to surprise you today. Tell us in the comments whose work impressed you the most and why. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.